Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 Ti Twin Edge Edition. Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4060 series is probably one of the most anticipated launches of this year. Why is that? While it's meant to be a direct replacement to the GeForce RTX 30 series, and it's mainly targeted at the mainstream market, focusing on affordability and compatibility, while at the same time offering improved performance. Like all RTX 40 series from Nvidia, it features the ADA lovelace architecture and supports all of the latest technologies such as the 3rd gen ray tracing, the 4th gen tensor cores, as well as DLSS3 and Nvidia's reflex technologies. So today we'll be taking a look at the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 Ti graphics card. It's powered by a slightly overclocked GPU running at a clock speed of 2.5 GHz. The default is 2.3 and features a total of 4,352 CUDA cores and comes with 8 GB of GDDR6 RAM on a 128-bit memory bus, giving you an effective speed of 18 gigabits per second. For cooling, the card uses Zotac's Icestorm 2.0 cooling solution featuring a metal backplate and dual fans and a large heatsink with 2 heat pipes. And better still, you only need one 8-pin PCIe cable to power this card up. The Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 Ti is a fairly compact graphics card, measuring just 225mm in length and only uses 2 PCIe slot space. Video outputs include 3 DisplayPort 1.4 ports and 1 HDMI 2.1. And lastly, the graphics card features the Zotac Spectra RGB lighting, which is fully customizable using their Firestorm software, which you can download from their website. We'll be testing this card on our system using an Intel Core i9-13900K along with a Z790 motherboard and see how it performs against all the latest graphics cards that we've tested, including the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti and of course the Radeon RX 7900 XTX. So let's put this into our test build, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. Features 8 GB of GDDR6 RAM, comes with some Icestorm cooling and the Spectra RGB, as well as freeze tech, and can control everything using the Firestorm software. DLSS3, ray tracing, reflex, and let's take a look inside the box. All right, we have a pouch inside. We have a nice Zotac card. And then we have some information about the GeForce RTX and the warranty, as well as the information on installation. Okay, here we have the graphics card. Let's take a look. Alright, here we have the Zotac GeForce RTX 4060 Ti, and it's quite a compact card. 2-fan cooling system. You have the heat pipes. There's 2 of them there. And let's take a look at the top here. We have some Zotac Gaming branding there. That lights up with the RGB. GeForce RTX. Notice there's only one PCIe power connector there, 8-pin. That's all you need. At the back here, we have a nice backplate here. Metal backplate that gives it extra stability and cooling as well. And then let's take a look at the video outputs. We have 3 DisplayPort connectors here, 1.4 and also HDMI for your video outputs. And yeah, very nice compact card. It should fit in most cases, and we should get some pretty decent performance, equivalent to, let's say, a GeForce RTX 3070, I guess. But it's a very good upgrade if you have an existing 20 series or maybe the 30 series. If you have a 3060 Ti, for example, this should perform better. What I like about this card is that it has a total TDP of only 160 watts,
which means it requires a minimum power supply of 500 watts or higher, but I do recommend a 600 watts or even 750 watts or higher. This card comes with a total of 4,532 CUDA cores and a slightly overclocked GPU of 2.5 GHz. The default is 2.3, and 8 GB of GDDR6 RAM on a 128-bit memory bus, giving you a total bandwidth of 18 gigabits per second. So it should perform pretty well. We'll be testing this card using an Intel Core i9-13900K along with a Z790 motherboard, and we'll see how it performs. So this was a quick unboxing of the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 Ti Twin Edge.
During our tests, we got excellent scores in all of our benchmarks, including a decent score of 13,212 for Basemark GPU and a Geekbench GPU score of 134,442. For Unigent's Valley benchmark, we got a score of 5,543 and a Final Fantasy benchmark score of 13,088. For Superposition 1080p Extreme and Optimized 4K, we got decent scores of 7,623 and 9,641 respectively. For 3D Mark Time Spy and Firestrike, it produced a score of 13,886 and 30,326 respectively. And finally, for Speedway and Port Royal, it produced a score of 3,140 and 7,919 respectively. And lastly, we got a DirectX ray tracing score of 38.01 frames per second and a Passmark 10 GPU score of 28,835. When it comes to performance and features, the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 Ti is a decent and respectable gaming card that's worth every penny. It features Nvidia's industry-leading ADA Lovelace architecture and offers all the latest graphics technologies including DLSS 3, 3rd gen ray tracing, 4th gen tensor cores, reflex and more. You get all of this at an amazingly affordable price. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com.
And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 Ti Twin Edge Edition featuring 8GB of GDDR6 RAM. It offers good performance for mainstream gamers at a price that's extremely attractive. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.